Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add reverse base number to your PDF file using PDF element. Open your PDF file. Now select edit option and select here more option. Here you will find this base number option. Click here and select add base number. This base number box. I'll add another 0 and change this base number position. I'll choose the bottom and say this, and here you will find this bits number reverse option and see this reverse. Also I'll add prefix and see this reverse bits number. Also I'll say this bits number position and see this. You can say this bits number font size. You can say its color here. You can make it bold, italic, underline. Also you can rotate here. You can change opacity bits number. You can add custom pages or all pages and finally select apply and see this or your bits number now added. Yeah, this and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.